feel like a molecule drifting through the wind, just being so alone. Do you ever feel you're traveling too fast, hitting container walls, making the pressure last? Do you ever feel the need to condensate, attract molecules and form a liquid that is safe? Do you know that there's still a chance in you, 'cause there's a force in you? Intermolecular forces will help you bond. Hydrogen bonds are the strongest of all. So if you contain an OF that is bonded to H+, see a friend just like you, then you can form hydrogen bonds. These bonds are found in H2O, so it is hard to vaporize. So you can be a liquid state that will have a high boiling point. Now what if you don't have H and OF? Instead you are just a polar molecule. Baby, that's okay. You just have to know there's dipole force in the store for you. All you need to do is find a friend like you, and your dipoles will align in a certain way. That is when positive meets a negative, and the attraction forms. Dipole forces are strong. They'll help you bond. But what if you are non-polar? Baby, again, that's okay, 'cause there's a force here just for you. When the end differs by 0.3, there's still attraction naturally. It's known as Lindon dispersion. When electrons align constantly, your cloud is polarizable, so it attracts another molecule.
Boom, boom, boom. You've been bonded with a friend like you. It's always been inside of you. IMFs are just a way to do.
'Cause baby, you're not bonded to no longer long as molecule. Instead, you're now in liquid state with friends that you appreciate. It's all because of IMFs. These forces between molecules, they bond you all together, so everyone is happier.
Boom, boom, boom. You've been bonded with a friend like you. Boom, boom, boom. You've been bonded with a friend like you.